Hello traders, this is the top 3 in 3 minutes, and just before we get into the charts, if you're struggling with consistency, with gaining consistent profits, or just becoming consistently profitable over a period of time, look at your consistency outside the charts, because how you do one thing is how you do another thing. So if you are an inconsistent person generally, you cannot expect to be a consistent trader. So become a consistent person outside the charts, which is something that you need to work on. It's not an overnight thing. And then you'll start seeing some consistency over your trading. Okay, great. So really, really good pairs for this coming week. The market has been shaping up and looking really, really good. First off, I've got the dollar yen here, and what I'll be looking for is really simple. I'll be looking for price to get to this point, and I'll be looking for positions to the downside. If not, there's the override area here, so I'd also be looking at possible reversals from that end. Would look for a little tight 3-touch correction. It has to look very, very good, and then I'll be taking that to the lows, and there's a lot of potential on this one. The next one here that I'll be looking at is a very simple setup as well. This is the euro yen, and it's simple. We've got the first and second touch. I'll just be looking for the third touch there, which coincides with the double top area. So there's a possible entries right here at the top that I'll be taking to the downside. And then the last one that I have is the euro CAD. The euro CAD also looks very good. I had a missed trade here last week, which would have banked a good 18% or so right here at the top. I was looking for the third touch. We only got 2 touches. We didn't get the third touch, but there was still an opportunity for me to take an entry near the bottom. But there's a lot of opportunities nonetheless in the market. So what I'll be looking for is something that looks like this. We've got the push down already, and then I'll be looking for possible entries in and around this area here, which I will then size up and take to the lows. So now, if we do not get that set up, there's still an opportunity to get a setup right here underneath the ray line, and I'll be able to size up this position here to the lows. So as you can see, we are trading right underneath that area. So any position underneath this ray line here is a high probability position for me. Otherwise, hope you'll have an incredible week ahead, and I'll catch you again next week.